All right, so the next part we are going to glue is part of the neck assembly. So we have the neck top here, and these are the neck sides, okay? They don't go through the middle, these are the very sides of the neck. So we're gonna set up for gluing this part. You have your parts here. You have the neck side reinforce, and you have the smaller neck sides with the ridges here. How these glue is as follows. One is going to glue with the side pointing down, and then this one goes on top of it like this. The other one is going to be glued with the side pointing up, so the text will be upside down on that one. You'll glue it like that, okay? Since this is the top part, we're only gonna put glue on the bottoms. You need about 6 clamps or so, or maybe 8 clamps. I'm again gonna use my trusty popsicle stick, and I'm gonna spread some glue on each part. And again, don't be shy with the glue, but also don't use too much. You will get the hang of how much glue to use as you do this. And again, you could always be cleaning up with a paper towel. It saves time later. If you don't do it now, you'll have to do it later anyway. So that's there. You can even use another popsicle stick to clean up if you prefer that. All right, so I'm just gonna use another popsicle stick to clean this up. You can see. Just gonna scrape it. That's fine. How much more I need. There we go. All right. So we're just gonna match up sides here. So I'm gonna put this one here. Okay. And again, how I would do this is I would do the bottom, make sure the bottoms are lined up, and then I would line up this edge. So this goes to this edge. And actually, the way this aligns is, obviously this edge align, but these bottom faces align here. Don't align it to like the top up there. There's a gap. So you need to make sure you align it to these bottoms first. So I'm going to do that. I'm gonna push it down. Okay. That looks pretty good. You only get one chance to clamp, so don't mess it up. I have excess glue piling out, so I'm going to scrape a little. Okay. So I'm aligning with my fingers, the best tool, clamp. Okay. I'm gonna go kind of up, align, clamp. Extra glue there, I'm wiping. I'm gonna go to the very top now. Make sure we're aligned. Again, it gets a little challenging. Clamp. The very top here. Clamp. All right, so that is one side. The other side is the same exact thing. So you do not need to watch that, but it is the same thing.